place I visited in Tenerife, and the first place in my list is Garachico. It is considered to be one of the most beautiful villages in Tenerife, with stunning views on the ocean, natural pools, and cute cobbled streets. Once it suffered a lot from the volcano eruption, but now it is full of life, local markets, sounds of the ocean, and is perfect for a one-day trip. If you're here, don't miss the natural pools of Garachico, where you can wander on rocks and feel the power of the ocean whirling around. But be careful and mind the huge waves coming all the way. The next place that is definitely worth visiting is Teide National Park. Teide is a volcano once erupted more than 1,000 years ago, which caused the formation of the extraterrestrial landscapes on Tenerife. The whole park is huge, and you should spend at least the whole day here. It has plenty of viewpoints, all of them with its unique views. You can see every kind of landscape in the park: volcanic ground, Martian sands and red rocks, and even pine forests. The most impressive point for me was La Orotava. It is the place with the best view on Teide. This is where lots of trails start, where you can wander around, and make sure you spend at least an hour here. Los Gigantes is a resort on the west coast of Tenerife, which is famous for its huge, majestic cliffs. This place is among the most beautiful and charming places here. Also, it is a starting point for many whale and dolphin watching tours. Each tour will take at least 3-4 hours, so keep that in mind if you come here. The thing that impressed me the most, though, was the natural pools of Los Gigantes. The immense waves that were coming right at you when you were swimming in the nature-made rocky formations is taking your breath away. But be careful, because sometimes the waves can be really huge and unexpected. Icod de los Vinos is another charming village with its main of interest, which attracts people all over the world: the dragon tree. Dragon trees are unique for this island and can live up to 1,000 years. The oldest one is growing here and is 800 years old. There are claims that it can be the oldest tree on the planet. It is located on the Millennial Dragon Tree Park, where besides the tree you can find dozens of various species of plants, fruit, and wander the green paths like in the oasis. The entrance fee is only €5, so make sure you don't miss this place. And I will conclude with my most favorite place in Tenerife, Anaga National Park. I couldn't even imagine that Tenerife can be so colorful, green, and impressive until I got here. If you like hiking and ready to explore all the beauty island has to offer, make sure you go to Anaga and take the trail to Chinamata village. Enormous green mountains, mysterious forests, secluded villages on the top of the mountains with people still living in caves, and breathtaking views on the ocean. That is what Anaga National Park is about. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you know other places in Tenerife worth visiting.